Okay, today's question. Basically, we want to find sine 15 degree. Okay, well, the trick we already know is we draw right triangle, and there are two angles 45 degree each, A and CBA. And we already know that, you create a 30 degree here, BE, EBA 30 degree. Okay. Now, using this diagram, we can compute sine 15. All right. So how are we going to do this? Well, this is 15. This part is 15. So naturally, we just need to compute CE divided by EB. Okay. It's going to be quite a bit of computation, but it's not so difficult. Let's go this way. Let's say AC, CB, both are 1. Okay. That means AB is going to be square 2. Okay. And look at triangle AEB. Okay. We have ED here, and we have DB and AD here. Okay, so we already know AB is square 2. All right, so what can we do here is, let's say, because EBD is 30 degree, so ED EB. Good here, right? And also we already know that ED equals AD, because this is a 45 degree triangle here. So we'll say the AD part plus DB equals, right? Now, what is DB here? And DB equals DB, because this is 30 degrees, so this is right, because it's 30 degrees, so DB divided by EB is square root 3 divided by 2. We got this. So then we get this. Okay, we're making progress. This means EB we have EB here. We don't need to worry about this. We'll figure out that later, but this is EB. Okay? We have EB here. And we already know BC, right? BC is 1. EB, we already know. So, naturally, if you look at cosine 15, which is CB divided by EB, which is 1 divided by, which is, well, it's just a reverse, right? So, okay. And which is, if we multiply square root 2 on both sides, right? So this is 4, and that's okay. So this is a cosine. Now sine. What is sine 15? That means CE, right? CE, which is that's CE divided by EB, which is EB. Okay, so, well, bear with me. We're going to be doing quite a bit of computation here. You know, in math, sometimes you really need to be patient about this computation. Don't worry about that. There's some difficulty here. You'll get it. Just keep going. Okay, so EB squared minus 1. So what we're going to do is, that's EB here. Right? Okay, let's keep going. I'm gonna stay here. I don't change anything on the bottom. I'm gonna do the upper part here, which is the part, and the top part is 8, right? Because 2 square root 2, the square is gonna be 8, right? Okay. Now, very close to the final. So we look at this, right? So this is, so 1 plus square 3 was 1 plus 3. We don't care about that. We just kind of, at the bottom, we only have this here. So we look at the upper part, which is right. Further, let's get bottom, like you multiply square 2 on the top and the bottom. So on the bottom you got 4. On the top you got 2, 16. Okay, and finally, I'll use a different pen. Finally, we simplify this part. I'm gonna just do this in my mind. You'll get it. So that's 8. Minus 4 square 3. And this is the final answer here.